to my channel, you know it's your girl Zena, and I'm back with another video. So you know we've been having rain for the past 2 days, like yes, 2 days, 2 nights straight. And you know what is gonna happen when that happens around the gorge. So you know your girl is here reporting, and I have to give it to you guys. So this is what is happening. Vehicles are still passing, but I believe it's not safe at this moment. If this rain continues for the next couple of hours, I will assure you that it will be a risen of the river. Check this out. So the river is rising, people, and I just ask you to be cautious. Do not come around the gorge if you don't have to. You don't need to, because the gorge is not safe at this moment. And I bless you and I bless everyone that is tuning to my channel right now. People, be careful. The river is rising, and it's rising fast because yes, it's been raining for 2 days and 2 nights now. So this is gonna happen. This is just a short update, let you guys know what's going on in my area. Stay safe, stay warm. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, please hit that notification bell, and please to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. As I always say, let your comment be positive. So I'm not gonna man, me busy. This is underneath the bridge, you know, people. Watch how the water flowed underneath the column. That's actually underneath the bridge. Look like it's going into a dungeon. Yeah man, 1 and 2 vehicles still have come through, but as I said before, the rain is pouring at this moment. The river is rising, so don't take it lightly. It's your girl Zena, and I'm gonna check out right now. This video is gonna be posted immediately because I want you guys to know what's up, and I'll keep you guys posted, and I'll put more updates if the river rises or if it flooded over. So stay tuned to my channel. Later, I'm out. As I can see, all of the bankings are swept away, you know, peeps. Yes, there's no banking right now. Over the cotton tree, flood out.